Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss synthesis of NaHCO3. We have already discussed S block elements, introduction, diagonal relationships, synthesis of sodium carbonate and NaOH. In last videos, you can find those videos by the link of that videos which is given in description box. So today we will discuss about the synthesis of sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate. Sorry, you can see here, this is sodium hydrogen carbonate, or sodium bicarbonate is also another name, sodium bicarbonate, sodium bicarbonate, or hydrogen sodium carbonate. It is the another name of this complex, sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium because of Na, and hydrogen because of H, hydrogen, and because of CO3, this is carbonate. This is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Another name of this complex is baking soda. Baking soda. Why it is known as baking soda? Because on heating, it decompose and release carbon dioxide gas bubbles when treated with some pastry and cakes, and then it will create some holes and it will look like fluffy surface. So that's why it is also known as baking soda. Okay. Now, first of all, we will study the synthesis of baking soda or sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay, so first synthesis is by Solvay process. Solvay process we have already discussed in detail in last videos when we were studying synthesis of sodium carbonate. We have already discussed in detail Solvay process. In Solvay process, first step was when raw materials like NH3, H2O and CO2, these were the raw materials of your Solvay process, raw materials. These raw materials will interact first of all together and will form ammonium carbonate, NH4 to CO3, and it will again convert into ammonium bicarbonate, NH4 HCO3, ammonium bicarbonate. And then this ammonium carbonate in second step was reacting with saturated NaCl solution, that is NH4 HCO3 was reacting with saturated solution of NaCl and was forming NaHCO3, NaHCO3 and ammonium chloride, NH4Cl. So this one is the sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate or baking soda. So this one is the synthesis of sodium bicarbonate via Solvay process. If you want to prepare sodium carbonate by Solvay process, then we will have to again proceed this step via ignition, and then we will break this one into sodium carbonate. So this one is the Solvay process where all raw materials will enter into a saturated solution of NaCl, all solution, and these are your raw materials, NH3, H2O and CO2, carbon dioxide gas. Okay, and when all this mixture passes through the core solution of NaCl, then here is NaHCO3 was precipitated and purified and collected as baking soda or sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate. So this one is the synthesis. Another synthesis of this sodium bicarbonate is that another synthesis method is that when this one is first synthesis and second synthesis, this one A suppose and this one will be B. Okay, when sodium carbonate Na2CO3 react with H2O in presence of carbon dioxide, then it will form NaHCO3. You can balance this reaction via multiplying by 2 here simply, and you can see here now this reaction has balanced 2 Na, 2 hydrogen, and CO3 one is here, and this one oxygen will combine with CO2 and will form CO3. So the reaction has completely balanced. So these are the synthesis of sodium bicarbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate, or baking soda. Now we are going to discuss the chemical properties of sodium bicarbonate or baking soda. All are same, just name is different name. I have already explained why it is knowing baking soda, because of when it decomposes it release carbon dioxide bubbles. When it react with pastry and cakes, then it will create some holes on the surface, so that's why known as baking soda. Now we are going to discuss the chemical properties of sodium bicarbonate. Chemical properties of sodium bicarbonate. First of all, this sodium bicarbonate looks like white crystalline solid, and when it heat, now first property is it is white crystalline solid, and the chemical action of heat. Now we will study the chemical action. When it heat at suitable temperature, at high temperature, then it will release carbon dioxide and sodium carbonate. Okay, so this is NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate, and you are going to heat this complex, then it will form Na2CO3, sodium carbonate, plus H2O and plus CO2, the raw materials of the synthesis of sodium bicarbonate. So that's why on heating, sodium bicarbonate will decompose in its components by which it was formed. So these are the, if you look here in this reaction, these are the raw materials for the formation of sodium bicarbonate. So on heating, sodium carbonate will decompose in its constituents or in its ingredients by which it was formed. So the most important thing, it will release carbon dioxide. So that's why it will create some holes in some fooding stuff. So that's why it was known as baking soda. Another thing is that another property is that when it reacts with alkaline solution, that is NaHCO3 react with NaOH, then it will form again Na2CO3, sodium carbonate, NaHCO3. You can balance this reaction and it will release water molecule, one water molecule. Okay, so this is the action with alkaline solution, and this is the heating effect of the sodium bicarbonate. So overall, we studied about the synthesis and properties of sodium bicarbonate, also known as sodium hydrogen carbonate, also known as baking soda. So first of all, we study the synthesis by Solvay process. I have already explained in detail during the synthesis of sodium carbonate in detail what is Solvay process and how can we synthesize and why it has a lot of applications at industrial application because of regeneration of raw materials during the process. So today we have discussed about the Solvay process to synthesize the sodium bicarbonate, and you know very well about this because it is partially soluble and it will get precipitate and you can separate and you can store it. But if here is potassium, then it will not precipitate because of solubility of potassium hydrogen carbonate in water, so it is partially soluble. So that's why this is overall synthesis of sodium carbonate. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks.